All right, well, we get a lot of questions, which Easy Fletch tool is right for me? So we've got it broke down into two categories that makes it pretty simple. So we have the green and tan tools, and we have the blue and the light blue tools. The light blue tools are for the smaller diameter shafts like carbon arrows. The green and tan are for larger diameter shafts like aluminum arrows. So let's break down the difference in between each series. So the first tool I'm going to show you is the bolt tool. That's designed specifically for crossbow bolts, larger diameter shafts that want to shoot a 2-inch helical with a hard helical on it. The next tool is our right helical tool. That's still for larger diameter shafts, gives you a nice right helical on it. And then we also have one for straight. The straight tool is if you're wanting to shoot some type of shoot-through rest that doesn't have much clearance, so a straight tool will probably work out pretty good for you. And if you like something a little in between, you might want to take a look at the offset tool. It kind of falls in between them two. On our carbon side, this will handle from the smallest carbon arrows they make out there up to, I don't know, about a 2018 size in aluminum. So the first one you're going to take a look at is our standard right helical. Takes all the way up to a 5-inch fletching, do vanes or feathers. And then if you want a straight, we also have a straight available. There again, if you're shooting some type of rest that has a little bit of clearance issue, that straight might be the way to go. And then we have our mini tool. So our mini tool is one in the family that has true helical. That's designed to do a 2-inch vane and actually put a true helical on it, which gives you a little better spin and rotation. And then we also have the Mini Max tool. The Mini Max tool is the newest in the family. It's designed to do up to a 3-inch vane. So you can do any size you want all the way up to a 3-inch vane and still have a Mini Max on it. So out of this whole family of tools, there's got to be one in there just for your setup.